Hi, it's another gun review by me. This is the Black Viper spring revolver. UA-941G. They use the same box for a couple of different. I have already taken the privilege of loading it up with some BBs. I believe we're using Bulldog BBs. This has got a stated feet per second of 200 feet per second. It's a strange, your actual bullets, BBs, you actually sit inside a fake bullet case and sit them in, and I hold them with a little bit of rubber. As I say, basically 200 feet per second. Let's see if we can. Actually, this is absolutely rubbish. You've got to cock it all the way back. That's it, all six done. It's not brilliantly accurate. This is the long barrel version. They do a short barrel version of the same gun, but I believe it's got the same specs as this one. For taking to skirmish site, if taking to site to use, I probably wouldn't bother personally. I don't think it's actually powerful enough to do anything. And when we get an ability to test the speed, I'll be very surprised if it does reach 200 feet per second. That's my view on this little gun.